You're probably wondering how I got here, and well, actually we'll have to go back 66 million years to see. Picture this, it's the Mesozoic era. Earth is warm, a tropical world dominated by dinosaurs, flowering plants, and shallow inland seas, with small mammals living in the shadows. And a large asteroid hits Earth. Wildfires, earthquakes, tsunamis. The atmosphere fills with dust and soot that blocks sunlight, causing a nuclear winter.
You kind of set off an eternal winter everywhere.
Temperatures plummeted, plants died, and food chains collapsed, wiping out 75% of species on Earth. And just like that, Dino Dan is out of a job. The non-avian dinosaurs are terminated. How do we know? Biomarkers and relative dating. For example, geologists know biodiversity was suffering a major loss because in the layers that follow the Cretaceous-Paleogene boundary, fossilized pollen grains are no longer abundant. And with everything dying, we see a surge in fungal spores blossoming under decomposing life. And also, so many ferns, which are a telltale sign of a forest trying to regrow. Hey, but wait! What were mammals doing before the KPG mass extinction? Mammals filled ecological niches at the base of the food chain, mostly insectivores and omnivores. Mammals underwent multiple small episodes of diversification through the Mesozoic, and beginning in the late Triassic, they started to diversify and adapt the tribosphenic molar, a powerful chewing system that helped paleontologists identify them in the fossil record. This new adaptation resulted in two of the major groups of mammals today: Metatherians, the marsupial ancestor, and a few eutherians, the first placental mammals, like us. All of which, as you can see, look very similar, alluding to how dinosaurs limited their ability to further diversify. Okay, now let's go back. The asteroid hit, and the dinos are gone. Don't be thinking that the mammals survived unscathed. Many of the mammals that survived the Cretaceous didn't make it to the Paleocene. Only about 7% of the mammals on Earth at that time survived the KPG extinction event. But where there is extinction, there is origination. You can think of the relationship of extinction and origination like how when a forest is burned, it actually brings nutrients to the soil and allows the forest to grow back even stronger than before. So what did we learn? So mammals survived to undergo major diversification to further evolve. The main reason they were able to do so is because the mammals that survived, unlike those that didn't, were smaller in size and had teeth and other adaptations that were more general and omnivorous, allowing them to burrow and shelter and adapt more easily to new environments and adjust to temperature changes and less food supply. This leads us to early Paleocene, where eutherians like us became dominant. And so, if it wasn't for this devastating mass extinction, early primates, which are a type of eutherian mammal, would not have later appeared and diversified during the Paleocene epoch, ultimately leading to humans millions of years later. So next time you're on a swing thinking, thank the dinosaurs that died, origination, and those small mammals that survived so you could evolve.